Okay, so we're going to be working with constructing quadrilaterals. Okay, so you're going to need your protractor and a ruler. Your protractor does have a ruler on it. I have to use two separate devices. So here, our first thing asks us to draw a right trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Okay, and our two sides that are parallel have to be 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So here I need to draw. I don't know why I have that on there. So I need to draw a 3 and a 5. So here's 3 centimeters. Move that down, and a 5 centimeter side. There's 5 centimeters. Okay, so there's my 3 and my 5 centimeters. Because it's right, I need to create a right angle. So these sides are going to create a right angles. And then I need to connect my other two ends. Oops. So there is a trapezoid. It has exactly one pair of parallel sides. And it's a right trapezoid because there's a right angle in here. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and try another one. So they're just going to have us working with specific things and having us work with different types of quadrilaterals. All right, so here's the next one. Draw a parallelogram with 60-degree and 120-degree angles. So a parallelogram right here is a quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel and congruent, which means they're equal in measure. Okay, so that means that once I get one of these angle measures, I should be able to then just draw off the top of it to be able to get that next one. Okay, so I'm going to start out with a line. And I'm going to create either my 60 or my 120. I'll go ahead and do a 60-degree angle measure. So we're going to do 60. Okay, so 60 degrees is right here. So now I'm going to take my straight edge and cut through. Now I might have to, oops. Okay, so now I'm going to create 120 degrees. I'm going to shrink this up a little bit. So now I want to do a 120-degree angle measure. So I'm going to have to turn my protractor, put that on the line, line it up. Okay, so 120 degrees going on the outside numbers. Here's my 120. And now I need to make sure that this side right here, this side, and the line that I'm going across the top are equal in measure. So I should either, what you guys are going to probably have to do is actually measure this. So it's 8. So maybe we draw another line that's 8. Okay, but you're going to go up above and actually draw that. So maybe I should do the same thing. You're going to take your, let me undo here. Take this, I know that it's 8 centimeters, and we're going to draw it 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Okay, now that is in turn going to create the correct length for my side opposite this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a straight edge to do that one. Okay, just connecting those last two. So there's my parallelogram that has 60-degree angle measures and 120 degree. Okay, so once again, going through, reading through what the quadrilaterals, what qualifications it has, and then also following through with the qualifications of the statement.